Find the value of the angle marked M in the diagram. This is a multiple choice question, and so we are going to solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. This is the diagram. The question wants us to use the information found on the diagram to find the value of M. From plane geometry, we know that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Let's assume that the angle formed here is A. If the angle formed here is A, then A and 100 degrees are angles on a straight line. And we know that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So it means that A plus 100 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. And this will give us A is equal to 180 degrees minus 100 degrees, which is 80 degrees. So the value of A is 80 degrees. One property of a triangle is that in a triangle, an exterior angle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. In the triangle we have here, 2M is an exterior angle. Its interior opposite angles are M and A. So if we apply this property, it says that an exterior angle, so here 2M, is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. The interior opposite angles of 2M are M and A. So it means that 2M, which is the exterior angle, is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. So M plus A. We have just found out that A is 80 degrees. So we can substitute it here to get the value of M. When we do that, we are going to have 2M is equal to M plus 80 degrees. I'll move M to the left hand side. And so I'll have 2M minus M is equal to 80 degrees. 2M minus M will give us M. So M is equal to 80 degrees. When we look through the options we have here, we can see that the correct option is B.